Alright guys, I don't know if you've seen these kind of connectors before. They're usually made for like computers. I've noticed, I'm sure you guys all know this, that if your seatbelt isn't plugged in, this piece to this piece, that you're inhibited. So actually plug this guy in one-handed like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to solder wire in between that. And also what I found out is that if your quad doesn't have speakers, they've added termination blocks. This guy right here, see, he's a spare. So I cut that guy out. Where did I put him? I fucking lost it already. Okay, here it is. This is what it looks like. And oddly enough, oh, this one hand bullshit. Look at that. Clips right in. So after I solder this guy on there, like I'm sure you could even just pop a wire in there and it'll probably be just fine. But you know, if you want it to last, I would probably solder something. They want anywhere from $6 to 20 bucks on Amazon for that thing. We're gonna do this for free. I already got everything that I need. All right, guys, got her all soldered up. Just gonna do a test to make sure that we have continuity on both sides. Looks like I did a stellar soldering job. All right, now I'm gonna throw this back into the machine, plug her in and see if this cable thing works. It's super simple. Maybe not, I'm gonna put you down. All right guys, so I did make the other one a little bit too long. So I resoldered it, made a new one, tested it. This thing fits on snug, but it locks. She's in there, man. I guarantee you that's gonna work. Alright guys, so what I did is I just zap strapped the seatbelt harness to what I just terminated. That way, you know, if you do decide to let your kids drive it, then you can pull that thing out and then they'll have no choice but to wear the seatbelt.